Good news for the Samsung lovers. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's telephoto camera might get a massive upgrade over Galaxy S23 Ultra. More information about Samsung's upcoming high-end smartphone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is beginning to show up online. It was revealed earlier that it would come with a titanium frame and EV-style battery while recycling its predecessor's design. While we have heard about a not-so-major change in the camera department for the eldest sibling, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, new information does shed light on something noteworthy. Earlier rumor revealed that the only camera upgrade in the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the 10x zoom sensor, which will undergo minor improvements. Ice Universe has now shed some light on one of its camera components. The prolific leaker says the Galaxy S24 Ultra will include a 50-megapixels 3x telephoto lens. If this rumor holds any weight, then it would be a significant improvement over the 10-megapixel 3x telephoto camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. We can expect improved image and zoom quality if the resolution of the telephoto camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra gets an upgrade. It also stated the primary 200-megapixels camera sensor, ISOCELL HP2, was here to stay, along with a 12-megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens and 12-megapixels 10x periscope lens, IMX754+. Additionally, Ice Universe's latest statement also goes against another report that said the Galaxy S24 Ultra's telephoto lens would offer 5x optical zoom. Then again, leaks aren't always accurate, and there will certainly be misinformation surrounding one of Samsung's most hotly anticipated devices, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Ice Universe, for the most part, has been reasonably accurate, but is best to wait until other leakers chime in. As for the other details, we'd expect to see an AMOLED LTPO display for the S24 Ultra, and interestingly, an LTPO display is also expected for the Galaxy S24 and the S24 Plus models. All of them will most likely be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, to be announced at the Snapdragon Summit in October. We could get some battery improvements too, along with Android 14-based One UI 6.0, an enhanced in-display fingerprint reader, and much more for the entire Galaxy S24 series. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And for more Galaxy updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.